27 April 2026. Wake up the knower. Usually, the knower lost with eye contact, knower gone away, ear contact gone away. But in the Sutta, Pahiya Sutta, see, just see, knower, knower not gone away, not lost. And how you know? When you just see, not make any conceptual thought, the knower look like there is the one observe you. Okay? There is the knower or the one observe. You are sitting, you are seeing, and if you got conceptual thought, the knower disappear. Okay? No conceptual thought. See, just see. Hear, just hear. No tomorrow, no yesterday. Okay? No the future, no the past. And where is the present moment? Your body and your breathing. When you got eye contact, if you got mindfulness, see, just see, hear, just hear, you got knower. But if you got desire, knower gone. Desire from thought, when it become thought, it already gone away. Okay? So when you got desire, then you have tomorrow, next week, next month, you have appointment. Today no appointment. Just practice with Ajahn Vimok. Stay now. No appointments. Let go everything. No tomorrow, no yesterday, no the past, no the future. Then the knower become the one who always see yourself sitting, breathing, movement, eating, eat, just eat, drink, just drink, no judgment. If you got judgment, it becomes thought. Okay? If you got desire, judgment becomes thought. But when during the meditation state, no, just no, see, just see, how breathing in, how breathing out, not force your breathing. So that's why today you need to learn breathing naturally. When you got breathing naturally, it got breathing by the whole body, rising, falling. Just know your breathing naturally, then you got knower. Seeing, you got breathing in, you got rising of chest, muscle, abdomen, and diaphragm. Okay? When you got breathing out, muscle, diaphragm falling, abdomen falling. So that means you just just know the way it is, how you breathe. Not try to breathe in long. This is not wake up, but it's good to calm down your mind. It's good for tonight sleep, breathing in long and go to sleep. But when you got breathing in long, don't. In the beginning, everybody try to breathe in long, but after you practice more, you don't need to try. Breathing in, just breathing in. Just know, breathing in. Long or doesn't matter, short, just know. When just know, no critical thought, then you got awareness to wake up. Okay, that's all. No self in the practice. Breathing in, breathe naturally. The whole body rising, falling. Then your heart, when you just know awareness here, in the beginning maybe 10%, now it's more 20%. Okay, 30%. But the problem is you not lost in thought, not lost in desire or any involvement. Just be it naturally. But anyhow, deep in your heart, a lot of perception, a lot of memory from today, yesterday, last week, last month, a lot. So that's why you need here, when you know breathing in, attention, notice and aware your breathing. Now what we need to practice more from here. Notice, then you got aware. Anyhow here, no just know, but you can develop knowing mindfully. Observe this person. Then you got observing this person. That is the knower. The knower, it the one, or maybe your spirit observe this person, or we call the knower. Okay? But the knower, wake up 20% is not good enough. You need to develop. You know, just know breathing in, but attention please here. Keep attention turn inwards here. Normally you put your eye focus forward, but today I use the word stay focused. Stay focused is from your heart. Stay at home first and stay focused. For example, for the bodily functioning, bodily action, 4 element or heartbeat, you don't have to put concentration. You just learn by your heart. Stay focused on your heartbeat. Yeah, this is from your heart. Because now, just no breathing naturally, but you need power of samadhi from here. Then mindfulness and samadhi, then you can develop more wisdom. Samadhi today from your heart. Just I let you see what is it. Focus your breathing. You close your eye and focus your breathing. Stay focused your breathing. Your eye with me. Your eye with me. Can you stay focused your breathing in? Can you stay focused your breathing out? And can you stay focused on 4 element, earth element, 5 element? From here, from no thought. Here is clear knowing. Milinda, you know Milinda Banha, Milinda Nakasen, Milinda question. The King Milin asked Nakasen, how you know all the contact? We got 6 sensory door. Nakasen Bhikkhu said, knowing from my door. Okay? Otherwise you running out here. You just stay focused from here. So here, stay focused. You can stay focused. Body in the body. You can realize body in the body. Pulsation. Can you stay focused on pulsation? The rhythm of pulsation. But from here, put concentration on pulsation. Difficult. Very dark. Cannot see clearly. So open eye. Today we develop eye in our heart. Eye in our heart by stay focused. Stay focused on. It no self. But focus something, it got self. Okay? In daily life, you have to focus your job, focus your friend. You need self. Because you make money. But in the practice of meditation, we don't need self. You can try from here. You can stay focused on earth element, movement, muscle, softness, hardness, your back straight up or not. Can you stay focused on the back? Can you stay focused on the spine straight up or not? Can you look at the spine from here? Everything we stay focused from here. Now stay focused on earth element, then fire element. You don't need to close your eye. This is citta. Citta, attention. We can use the word. Keep attention on fire element. But more attention, please. Stay focused on fire element to learn the phenomena of fire element. When you stay focused, you got samadhi and wisdom. Okay? You got pojanga. You got investigation, inverse. Stay focused on water element. Water element outside, dry or wet. Water element in your mouth. Can you stay focused on water element in your mouth? Mindfully. Mindfully, that means no make any involvement or judgment. Stay focused, know clearly. And mindfulness, this is seeing clearly. Seeing clearly, knowing clearly. Knowing, seeing, knowing. Now, you got knowing clearly, then seeing become clearly. Okay? So that's why there is a book named Knowing and Seeing. Okay? Knowing and seeing. Knowing clearly, seeing clearly. How? Can you stay focused on air element? Outside? Inside? In your mouth? In your ear? In your nose? In your eye? Can. Okay? Stay focused. Okay? Stay focused in knowing from heart, from pure citta. When pure citta work from pure citta, more awareness. Then it go up here, up. Now your citta sometimes go to hell. You got sad, you got suffering, you got expectation, you got desire. Your citta always go to hell. But today, just you learn go to hell because your citta go outside. Look, and you not just see, you just have thought, or you have any judgment, do more to get more, make more money. Look, oh, I want that, I need that. Okay? Now your citta go outside. See, just see. Your citta is here. Just see. When your citta more here, inside your heart, then it become wake up like this. Okay, wake up like this. Now, first we wake up by relax the whole body, relax your neck. Then you got more awareness here. Okay, maybe 20%. We start from 10-20%. That means even your eye with me from here, you can observe your breathing. Mindfulness is behind the object. Okay, and when you got seeing mindfully, that means seeing from inwards, from within, inner. Okay. Now even you look up at the Buddha face picture, but your mindfulness can observe your breathing or not. When you got mindfulness observe, then your heart notice something. notice quality of breathing, smooth or not smooth. Observe and notice, observe and notice. Then you build up mindfulness outside and mindfulness inside. The result of mindfulness inside, you get more awareness, and more awareness from 10% up to 20, up to 30%. Then you must develop more awareness by stay focused on your breathing. Stay focused, mindfully observe. Stay focused, it got the power. Okay? You got observe, notice, observe and notice with more attention inwards, not attention outward. Okay? Attention. So this is mindfulness, observe. This is awareness, and more awareness go up. Okay? More awareness go up. Then you got freedom from thought, but it doesn't mean you free from suffering because you need more samadhi to bring your awareness more, wake up from kilesa. The cause of suffering is from kilesa in your subconscious mind. Okay? But we start from conscious mind first, and then you just develop subconscious mind samadhi by stay focused this person, how sitting, how walking, how breathing, and stay focused on bodily movement, bodily action. Stay focused along the breathing in long, breathing out long, and stay focused on the sensation of breathing. That means first we stay focused on breathing in long, breathing out long, and breathing in short, breathing out short. Then next step, stay focused on sensation of breathing. You can realize sensation like a mass of breathing, particle of breathing. Particle of breathing. According to Abhidhamma, we call smallest particle of breathing in Bali is Kalapa. Okay? Many people who practice meditation, they try to focus Kalapa. No, focus cannot, because you already got desire, got thought, attachment. We only relax, mindful and aware, and notice breathing naturally, and just stay focused, breathing long and short. Then more stay focused into the breathing. It got sensation. So that's why to develop vipassana, Goenka use the word. You develop vipassana, you must do concentration on sensation of body or whatever, sensation of body, sensation of your mind, sensual pleasure. Goenka got this technique because he was sick, and he lie down, take a rest, or maybe, I don't know, in the hospital. So that's why when you lie down, you try, you got stay focused from your heart, because you lie down. You cannot sit up and focus, breathing in, breathing out. So when you lie down, right, when you got serious sickness and in coma state, near to death, you got inject the tube here, you cannot, very pain, but you can stay focused your breathing. Okay? Huh?
Longpo means stay focused is satu sampajanya.
No, stay focused means samadhi. Awareness sampajanya.
So,
mindfulness is state. Mindfulness observe.
so your stay focused because of samadhi.
So we develop mindfulness first, awareness first, and then in the in the in the core we got power of samadhi come from our heart. Normally power of samadhi come from your brain. This is focus your breath or breathing, but from your brain a lot of perception. Then but if we develop samadhi from heart, it's difficult. We just develop mindfulness first, awareness, and then notice until it's not stirring, and it got good attention. Good attention, that is stay focused, not distracted mind. Okay, and when it not stirring, it can see the root of kilesa inside disturb you deeply. Okay, so from here you free from thought, but from here you can realize your kilesa. Okay, but anyhow we start from mindfulness, awareness, calmness first, relaxation first. But uproot kilesa, you need more, go inside deeply. But we not, because we are lay people. If a monk who is a forest tradition, maybe they put samadhi first, go inside, because they practice all day. You practice only half an hour. You need to start from mindfulness, awareness first. Okay? But to develop the power of mindfulness, awareness, power of mind, power, you know, the medical doctor, the neuroscience, journal, they just test the power of your brain. Maybe, I don't know, this is maybe some quantity, but they test the power of small brain is here. They use the word, this is small brain. Small brain got power than big brain. Okay? This small brain control everything. And small brain connect to the brain, the physical brain, small brain, it connect by pulsation. It got sending message. You got desire, it got message. Make a messenger through pulsation. So that's why when you very angry, pulsation very strong. Where you maybe sad, pulsation very poor. Okay, something like that. So now the scientific can realize this is connection between emotion and thought by pulsation. Okay, that's why the Buddha say you need to develop mindfulness of body in the body. Body outside, that is sitting, walking, eating, drinking. Body inside is pulsation. Okay? Heartbeat, pulsation, and light energy, and the insi and the power of the inner body. Okay. So that's why all these things you cannot focus pulsation, but you can feel pulsation. Okay, you cannot focus heartbeat. Where heartbeat, I don't know, but I can feel my heartbeat. Okay, so when you can feel your heartbeat, then you can learn by Bojjhanga investigation. Stay focused. The rhythm of heartbeat. The rhythm of heartbeat is it got standard 70 to 80. Then you got good health, something like that. Okay. Now can you stay focused? Doesn't matter how much heartbeat you got. How you can stay focused on your heartbeat? It's from here. Okay. How you can stay focused on your pulsation? From here. How you can stay focused on your desire? From here. Chitta. How you can Stay focused on your anger. Okay. From here, you can stay focused deep the residue of kilesa inside. Okay. Stay focused more turn inwards. Okay. So that's why you can realize because eye contact, ear contact, desire, you got desire. When you got stay focused here, desire arising and it disappearing very fast. Okay. So only mindfulness is good, but it need concentration. Concentration near eye to eye here, eye to eye. Kilesa mala come eye here can see immediately. Okay. Normally you just observe your thought, observe your kilesa. Okay. This is good already. Can calm down your mind. But today why we develop concentration from here. When you stay focused body outside and stay focused body in the body, body in the body, that I let you try. Stay focused on your sensation, on your pulsation. Okay? Stay focused on breathing inside. So breathing inside will bring you to be able to stay focused all kilesa inside. Okay? So now, you know, when you stay focused on breathing inside, doesn't matter long or short, but it's very subtle. When you get more stay focused, your mind really calm. Then breathing a little. When more like you have food, when your stomach full already, you eat a little. So when your mind calm, your breathing becomes shorter. Okay? In the beginning, you got thought. Then you need breathing in long to let go thought. When you let go thought in some level, then breathing becomes shorter. So in the beginning, you not stay focused, you can get awareness of breathing long. Okay, that's fine. But after you get calmness, breathing becomes shorter. You need stay focused. Otherwise, breathing disappear. Okay? Understand now? Many people, breathing disappear. Then they just emptiness, nothing there, don't know where to go. Okay? Now we stay focused on breathing from the beginning, breathing in long, out long, breathing in short or long, doesn't matter. And then stay focused. It will help you be able to stay focused on sensation of breathing. Here, sensation of breathing inside the nostril. You got seeing from awareness, notice and aware, and stay focused with notice, stay focused with awareness, stay focused and notice, stay focused and aware. Then you can instantly realize sensation of being more on the nostril inside, on the inside, the left, the right, or in front. So that's why you need to stay at the present moment. Be able to stay at the present moment. First, the present moment of sitting, walking, touching, but more the present moment of breathing in, breathing out, and more the subtle breathing, and more the sensation of breathing. More you can stay focused at the present moment of the subtle breathing, since that is sensation of breathing. Because I told you already, know, just know, see, just see, hear, just hear, more no will wake up. Stay focused and not involved. Just know how breathing, sensation, it transforms inside your nostril. Okay? It got nostril inside, the surface, the hair in your nose. You can stay focused. Each moment of breathing, that is particle of breathing. More you can realize the contact of particle of breathing inside your nostril or in front your nose tip or inside. You need here. Then you can see clearly. If you focus from here, maybe it's the nostril is here. You focus here, you focus too far. Here, you stay focused close to the object. And then we train stay focused close to the breath body or the bodily movement. Then next step, stay focused on sensation of body. Stay focused on sensation of breathing. And closer, stay focused on your mental sensation. Okay, sensual pleasure. Okay, and then closer, stay focused on the cause of sensual pleasure. Okay, the cause of suffering. Okay, and then you can realize when you train here to be able to stay focused, body's sensation and the cause of suffering. Okay, and then the freedom of mind. Here you can see the four foundation of mindfulness clearly. And now when you get more stay focused from here, you can realize now you got suffering on body but not suffering in your mind, in your heart. But if you sit like this, you got suffering on body and in your heart. Then sit upright. Then suffering might be pain but no pain because you sit upright. Okay? So that's why basically sit upright. Then when you train here, stay focused. For what? For ability to notice suffering on body, and you got suffering in your mind not? If you sit upright with mindfulness, it only itchy. Okay? Tired a bit but not suffering in your mind, in your heart. Okay? And but sometimes you just fall down. Oh, I'm tired. Then you can realize suffering on body, you are tired, and you are tired because your mind very weak. Okay? So that's why the more you train concentration from your citta can see suffering, more suffering on your body because you got bodily action, changing your posture because you got suffering. Okay, changing to escape from suffering. But now you can realize suffering on body, but you don't have to change because your mind got awareness, wake up. Okay, so that's why stay focused on your body. You can see suffering on body and it's suffering into your mind or not, into your heart or not. Okay, that's why I need to learn to you right concentration from citta. Then your citta can realize the cause of suffering in your mind. When you can realize the cause of suffering in your mind, then the suffering gone. Okay? Then you see the way to end suffering. That's why right concentration. Okay? You know? Right concentration is the last one of the Noble Eightfold Path. Okay? The last one. Right concentration. From the first one, right view, right thought, right view, right resolution, okay, and right speech, right body action, right livelihood, right effort, right mindfulness, and right concentration. So you need right mindfulness, sit upright. Now I just tell you, you don't need to practice mindfulness. You only mindfulness on sitting upright, it become more stable. Okay, it more aware. Open your heart. So that's why the Buddha start with sit upright, but many people not upright. Sit upright, you got connect to your heart, chitta. Nah. If you not sit upright, you got thought. You sit upright, no thought. And more sit upright with awareness. Awareness more wake up. It wake up from thought, like you get blindness here. And more wake up, it become a big halo here. Okay? And this is the light. Will bring you to the next slide. Okay? The light. Now you only have small torchlight. Now you get spotlight now. Spotlight. We call the big mirror. Big mirror. So you know your big mirror today happening. Okay. Moon and the sun. Okay. I say, so now you do nothing. Don't try to do anything. Only mindfulness on sitting upright. Come back here. If you not sit upright, it go to thought. Sit upright, it turn inwards. Now 20%. From 8-9% lost in thought. Then 20% free from thought. But doesn't mean free from suffering. You need to develop wisdom. See suffering of body, but not suffer to your mind. Okay? Sit upright. No, only itchy. No painful to your mind. Pain on the body, not painful to your mind. Okay? And then you can see from here, because your mind is here, your heart is here. Pain on the body, not painful to your heart. And then you see end of suffering, because your heart always mindfulness, awareness, and with concentration, always you turn back. Your heart never you turn. Okay, now I train you stay focused. Backward, on your back, on your right shoulder, on your left shoulder, to you turn. You turn. See this direction. See this direction. See this direction. See inside your nostril. This is you turn. Okay? You turn until you become stream and enterer, Sodaban. Okay? Only Sodaban who can turn inwards. Notice bodily movement, body action. Notice and aware the posture, sitting, standing, breathing, and aware of activity, bodily action and activity. It we call the knower. Okay? But more than knower, we need to develop knowledge. With knowledge, then you go up to Sakita-kami, Anakami. Sakita-kami, you can let go completely. Attachment to misbelief and attachment to this body, sakayati, tithi. Misbelief, that means you just no trust in the Buddha. You just trust in the Deva, trust in outside thing. Okay? And then you free from Vichikicha. Okay? Free from doubt. You have no doubt about Buddha, Dhamma, Sangha. No doubt. Okay? Here, you got fulfilled with faith in the Buddha. Now, you only wake up here. First, upright, and here will be open. Wake up first. And then when you wake up, then develop samadhi here. Samadhi, jhana is from here. Okay? Now samadhi here. Jhana and jhana. Okay? And jhana, jhana, by right concentration. Focus backwards. Stay focused. uh, back to this person. It look like you see this person from the front. Stay focused on your breathing. It look like you see from the front. Before you see from mindfulness from behind. Okay? But after you turn already, then you can see from the within. It look like there is a knower. Before you observe from behind, now it don't need to observe. It see clearly from the front. Like you got a mirror in front of you. Got a mirror. You go this way, you see yourself. Before you don't have this mirror, you got the mirror small one here. Okay? From here, you must stay focused in big mirror. Wow! The way open here. Okay? This is because you always stay focused backwards, or we call turn inwards, or simple language, U-turn. How? You always not upright, that's why. Upright. No. If you're not upright, you waste your time. Upright only. You can have something, the pillow here, okay? Upright. Put pillow behind. You can sit, but better no pillow. Sit upright. And then samadhi happen by itself. You don't have to do samadhi. You sit upright, you mindfulness. Mindfulness from your heart shooting up. Okay? Now you not only not sit upright, your eye, no eyesight, you know. Your eye, Kuan Im. Not eyesight. You only blur. Okay? You must correct. Your eye see with eyesight. Dhamma eye. Dhamma eye, because you got mindfulness, you got awareness, and it got a mirror come here. Okay? And first develop brightness on your face. Ngộ heng, you know ngộ heng? Good ngộ heng. Good smiling. Ngộ heng. Yeah. Chinese ngộ heng. Look good. Look welcome. Everybody welcome. You need more welcome. Smile. Everybody. Okay. Yeah. This is good. And upright. Okay. Upright posture. And now you got mindfulness, observe, awareness, notice, observe and notice. Work together, observe and notice. Then you got more awareness, and then it stable. It already stable. It look like you got before your electric pole windy, swaying. Okay, but you put stay. Okay, stay here with the body, with breathing. Stay. Put the pole, electric pole, in the upright position with the breathing. By breathing in long, can you notice breathing in long vertically? That's why you need to develop mindfulness of breathing in long vertically. Then it helps your pole inside. We call the center of body. Now you not have power of mind because your mind swaying. Sit and feel you're sitting on Mother Earth and upright. Can you feel sitting on Mother Earth? Then it's shooting from Mother Earth. Samadhi not difficult. When you sit upright and become one with Mother Earth. That's all. So you got samadhi in 2 minutes if you sit upright and connect to Mother Earth. But what we develop is vipassana. See yourself, know yourself by see this person into 4 elements and see all four elements, fire element, water element, earth element, and air element. Okay? Now, just when you can see this person into four element, we call contemplation of this body into four element. And then when you contemplation into four element, you can realize sensation of the whole body, because it is not you, it is four element. It got sensation, okay? And then when you can see sensation of body, then sensation of breathing. The first step, you focus your breath. We call beginner. Intermediate level, we focus breathing. Advanced level, we focus sensation or the breathing touching inside the nose. Nostril inside your we just but this one we use the word stay focused. When you stay focused, sensation is from heart. Focus your breath and breathing, you can use your brain. But focus sensation, you cannot use brain. You need attention, please. Are you breathing in or are you breathing out? Attention, please. Your heart. Now you're breathing in long or breathing in short. Attention, please. Breathing out long, breathing out short. Attention, please. Now you're breathing soft or subtle or very subtle. Attention, please. This word, attention, is mindfulness. Mindfulness, concentration. That means not put concentration. Mindfulness, concentration. We use the word stay focused. But now people practice put concentration. This is not stay focused. This got self in the practice. Okay, so now we use the word stay focused because we don't force the breathing. That's right. When we not force the body breathing, we get more awareness of the whole breathing go everywhere. Okay. Now you always got down. Master, what method? Where I should focus my breath breathing? No. That is only beginning. But you just know the performance of breathing. Performance of breathing and the quality of breathing, sensation. You feel you got sensation of breathing, heal your body. Okay? Heal the energy of body, heal your health. And now you need your eye, just see. Because your eye always blinking, that means you're thinking something. When you're thinking something, your eye blinking all the time. So that's why just open your eye widely. Okay? For those who lost in thought, you're not lost in thought, you just smile enough. You just smile enough. And now I just tell you, Einstein say, when you can build a rocket, go as fast as the light, the same velocity, okay, as the light, then time dilation become zero. Okay, but the Buddha don't need to build a rocket. The Buddha just stop, stop thinking, stop desire, stop until you are at the present moment with sensation. Then you got time dilation, go to zero. That means you sit for 2 hours, maybe you feel you sit only 5 minutes. Okay? So this is, you can realize you got progress or not. If you sit 10 minutes, oh, I'm tired already. maybe more than half an hour already, then you still you still got a lot of doubt and conceptual thought. You attach to method. Okay? So that by relax first. Relax the whole body, relax your mind, and I give you technique, convert your thought to feeling. By feeling relax the whole body. Feeling relax the whole body. Feeling relax your mind, your heart, your face, mind. And then feel relax your breathing. Feeling more, then you got calmness. Calmness is a kind of feeling, okay? And feeling, and then got joy in the practice. Joy is a feeling. Loving kindness in the practice. Loving kindness is feeling. So that's why I can stay focused with my breathing, because I teaching you with smile, with joy, with happiness. Okay. I'm not serious teacher. Serious teacher cannot get inside, cannot get through. Okay. Yeah, good now. You got already wake up. Okay. And upright a bit. Then that's all. You get calmness already. But in the calmness, awareness, wake up your subconsciousness to turn over to conscious mind. And conscious mind turn over to body consciousness. And body consciousness turn over to higher consciousness. Higher consciousness is the jhana state. Okay? And the Buddha got very high consciousness like a network. Consciousness of the Buddha like a network. Only the Buddha got network. Yeah, Wi-Fi. we maybe we got 2 gig. The Buddha more than 5 gig. Unlimited. Okay. Okay. So now, first you just test. You got Wi-Fi, the network. Not the network. You got awareness and see this body or not. The Buddha got awareness and see the 3 worlds. See the heaven, see the hell, see the previous life, see ion of life, okay? But you just see the present moment. See the present moment, then you get mindfulness. Mindfulness always stable. When mindfulness stable, you got awareness and you can notice to develop more awareness and more notice, then stay focused. When it's stable, it's not distracted, we call stay focused. So now, can you stay focused? Body in the body, pulsation everywhere. But stay focused from the heart area. Okay? Stay focused on pulsation. Stay focused on 4 elements. Okay? Stay focused on earth element. And stay focused and see suffering on earth element. Got pain, but no pain in your heart. Okay? So more you develop the Four Noble Truths. Sing Four Noble Truths. Stay focused on breathing, then you can see the cessation of suffering. So I just teaching you how to develop wisdom, see the noble truth, Four Noble Truths together. But anyhow, now keep conscious, mindfulness, consciousness, more and more. Relax, breathing in long in the beginning until you get calmness more. Breathing become shorter. But when the breathing becomes shorter, many people it disappear. But if you can stay focused on the shorter breathing inside the nostril, you can see more sensation of breathing. If you can see more sensation into particle of breathing, mass of breathing first, mass. It got transformation, it got orbit inside your nostril. Okay? Then you get more present moment. Know the future, know the past. Okay? Now, just first, you notice and aware breathing in, breathing out. But more advanced, you not only notice, you need power of mind to develop Pojanga investigation into the breathing. Can you investigation into the breathing? It's only a mass, is particle or air element. Or in Pali word, we use the word kalapa. Kalapa is the smallest particle of things, smallest particle. In science, we use the word atom. In Buddhist philosophy, we use the word kalapa. People try to focus kalapa from brain, cannot. It become image. But kalapa, you just notice from heart. Kalapa. Sometimes it's like a star, bubble. Sometimes like icy. Sometimes like a white or thread. Kalapa. It got different form. Okay. Yeah. It's like you know when you in the sunshine early morning on the beach early morning you can see small particle, okay, of the gas, or we call what element, I'm not sure. Yeah, it's like some, oh, something like that. Yeah. Yeah. Kalapa. Like you, I saw my breathing like a thread, and like a small. I see. Okay, that is kalapa. Okay, that's why mindfulness only not enough. You need power of samadhi to investigate into the small particle of your breathing. Okay, then you got one pointedness of mind, citta, very powerful. Okay. Now, how to develop one pointedness of mind? Calmness meditation by sit upright. But one pointedness of mind, you need more attention. Stay focused. First, stay focused on the bodily movement, bodily action, touching. Now, can you stay focused on touching? I got this thing when I sit meditation. It's raining. My mind stay focused, raining every drop. Okay. Then stay focused on the raining. Then stay focused on the breathing. I see. Thanks for raining. For raining. Oh, wake up. Stay focused here. Okay. Now, this is direct. When you stay focused, maybe people talk, the word and the mind not the same. You can stay focused. You talk not from your heart, okay? But not too much investigation, okay? You not talk from your heart. I know. You talk from something misconduct, wrong view, okay? Not from your heart, okay? Stay focused. Now stay focused. You can understand your children. Your children got problem. Your eye cannot see. Stay focused. You can realize. Your citta. When you stay focused, whatever it happening, okay? That's why you need to develop mindfulness, awareness, then power of citta. Stay focused on whatever object you can see clearly. On breathing, you can see clearly. On sensation of breathing, you can see clearly. Particle of breathing, you can see clearly. And now, open your eye and stay focused with sitting upright on your breathing first. and know the future, know the past. Remind yourself, know tomorrow, know yesterday. Know tomorrow, know yesterday. Just stay focused at the present moment. The present moment is your breathing in and breathing out. Each moment that is realize, even the sensation that touching inside the nostril. Okay, it's like the mass inside the nostril. It becomes small particle. You just attention from your heart. We call focus from our heart. Focus our heart with mindfulness and awareness. Aware and notice. Aware and notice. Stay focused. Notice how you're breathing, how the sensation of breathing, and awareness. You can see clearly from heart. Okay. And now, when you stay focused, even you're sitting now. First step, stay focused on bodily action first. Tonight, you take a shower. Can stay focused on your hand, watching here. Can you stay focused instantly? Can you stay focused on brushing your teeth? Okay. Together, can? By heart. Can you stay focused on the shower? Warm water. Very good practice. Then you love shower. Before you not have shower, you take a you take shower. You take water and wash your body. But the shower is good. Stay focused. And then when you can stay focused on the shower, then you can stay focused. Very subtle breathing. Okay.
I think the word stay focused is a bit misleading because focus, people like others, they don't understand focus.
That's why you just check this word from ChatGPT. You need to learn.
It's like people used to focus that the tense
Object
is,
outside.
yeah, the tense is there, the tension is
That got tension.
awareness is aware.
Aware, but awareness, then more attention.
Yeah.
More attention on yourself. Then we call stay focused. Yeah. That's why in the US they work for peace.
Yeah.
And what they practice, they stay focused on breathing. They focus the way, destination, but they stay focused on breathing.
It's the English word, stay focused.
Stay
People
focused.
will use stay focused without awareness.
No. If without awareness, we use focus on object.
Yeah.
But stay focus is from heart. After I show you, I already search and did. Oh, this is the language. Okay. Because the stay focused, you can stay focused even body in the body, sensation, pulsation, but you cannot focus pulsation. Cannot. Okay.
So stay focused in Pali word is sati.
Stay focused is
Pali.
สมาธิตั้งมั่นสมาธิ stay focused is สมาธิ of จิตตะ stable.
So you use samadhi to be aware.
Aware first,
Yeah.
mindfulness first,
Yeah. Mindfulness, awareness, and samadhi.
then
Inside that.
samadhi put it together.
That is the term. Because there's a lot of misunderstanding.
Because this word people try to focus, but they not start with.
English word, no Pali word, no.
Okay.
Newcomers, they will understand focus of what they will go.
That's why after the session I show you, I just read. Oh, I ask.
Newcomers, they don't know about Dharma. They cannot use awareness. They cannot.
So that's why in beginner I use the word notice. notice and aware. But the power of notice very powerful. It look like it's got focus. Stay from inside. Stay at home. Stay, that means the electric pole you got stay. And then it's not windy, not swaying. Okay. Now can you keep here not distracted? Now normally when you focus, it already move out. But stay focused, it not move out. It's stable. Okay, after you read what I found in the chat GPT, I will show you. Easy, I just already got it.
Last time published about mindfulness.
Yeah. So that's why mindfulness and awareness. But mindfulness awareness going inside. Okay, going inside. Going inside now it's like swaying. But stay focused inside, not swaying. Okay? Okay.
Focus is now I understand
Samadhi. Right samadhi. You have wrong samadhi. When you focus, your mind go out. Right samadhi, you focus yourself inwards, your mind not go out. Okay? Or we can use the word keep notice, not notice. Oh, this is apana. Yeah. Higher. You got awareness, that is already upajjhara samadhi. Okay? This is stay focused from upajjhara to jhana state. Understand now? Okay. And now from your heart, if you know how to stay focused, you can practice in daily life. Stay focused first on your bodily movement, bodily action. And stay focused on your body action, movement and breathing together. And stay focused on your subtle breathing, sensation of breathing. And then you can get your experience. I admit in hospital, I can stay focused on the 4 elements and I can cure myself. Okay, I stay focused on my breathing. Even I got illness, but I stay focused on my breathing. Breathing become the healer to bring energy to me. Okay, and in the coma state, you know, stay focused. When you close your eye, you lie down. You got connect to breathing. Stay focused on breathing to the last breath. That's why I use the stay focused, because you need to practice the last breathing. Stay focused on the breathing only to the last breath. Then you got the light wake up. Okay? That's why it's important. You need to practice. And now, first open eye. Stay focused on body and breathing. Then thought become less. When thought become less, then stay focused more on breathing in long, breathing out long. It look like you got eye, seeing breathing, look at breathing from your heart. And then your eye here wake up and more calmness, breathing become shorter. Then stay focused on subtle breathing inside the nostril. And then you can stay focused, sensation of breathing inside the nostril. You can realize sensation. And sensation will let you realize particle of breathing. It got movement. And you know, it's like transformation. Okay? Anicca. Okay? And then you can see by Dhamma eye, the smallest particle of breathing. Okay? someone see the smallest like a star, a lot of star in the sky, but it's here. Someone see the particle like the star, like a rainbow, like a smoke, like a dewdrop, like the eye see, like eyes or cotton. Okay, that means you got jhana state. Okay, and with jhana state, it turn inward, knowing the citta, the cause of suffering. With the power of samadhi, it turn inward to be able to notice suffering in your heart or not, and the cause of suffering together. Then when you can notice the cause of suffering gone away, then you can realize this is the cessation of suffering and the way. So now every time you practice, you need to more stay focused on subtle breathing, then it will bring you to notice suffering. You got suffering, but you don't know in your heart, okay? You don't know. But when you stay focused on breathing very subtle, it can heal your mind, and then you can realize the cessation, end of suffering. Oh, when you see the end of suffering, oh, I just realize I got suffering and I don't know. Okay? And now practice. Sit upright and look up, smiling up. And stay focused on breathing in long and breathing out long. When you got mindfulness, awareness, and stay focused, right concentration, it got contemplation, it got investigation into the soft, gentle, or very subtle breathing, and investigation into the sensation of breathing. Investigation, more you can investigation into the sensation of breathing, then you can delight sensation of all the sensual pleasure. Okay, and if you rely more the subtle breathing, then you can rely more attachment in your perception. Okay, you got attached to something for 10 years, 20 years, your hand left, your mind, your heart not left. Oh, this thinking my mind for more than 10 years. Now, when you more stay focused on very subtle and more every moment, you come to the present moment of particle of breathing, all release. You got all suffering, the cause of suffering, because you are attached to the past and the future. Okay? And now, use your heart. When you close your eye, not drowsy, get upright. Okay? And relax. And sit upright. First, notice and aware first. More notice and aware, it's not stirring. It got good attention. Good attention to each moment of breathing. Very subtle breathing, even breathing in long. Or breathing in short or short, doesn't matter. Sometimes if you got skill, you can stay focused on breathing in long together. Okay? But for those beginner, I recommend to stay focused on breathing inside the nostril. It's easy to practice. And it becomes Stay focused on the sensation. Sensation is a mass of breathing. Breathing not only in and out, it become mass. It look like you close your eye, now close your eye. It look like breathing, oh, it become mass in front of you. Okay? Or breathing become smoke go inside. Okay? That means you are going into the first jhana. Okay? But anyhow, vipassana you can practice in upajjhara samadhi. Okay? I not expect you to today to get into the first jhana. I only let you start from upajjhara samadhi by awareness and mindfulness, observe and notice. This is good enough already. But if you got power of mind, getting 1% of mind, then your jhana will be clearer and clearer. Your understanding will be clearer and clearer. It looks like you do nothing. You only sit upright and you knowing clearly from heart area. Stay focused from your heart, the citta inside. And when you can stay focused, sensation of breathing. You can stay focused, this body into 4 elements. Into 4 elements, arising, disappearing. And into 5 aggregate, you can see you are the 5 aggregate. From sensual pleasure, perception, sankhara, and consciousness. Anyhow, today we only stay focused on breathing and sensation of breathing. You need practice this maybe for, I don't know, a week, a month, a year, okay? Not large. And especially when you go to sleep, you will understand how to stay focused because you close your eye. Your eye cannot look at your breathing. You close your eye, but your heart become eye. Tonight you can try. You citta wake up and see the breathing until you fall asleep. Okay? And then you trade it this way. When the last day coming, the king of breath in front of you, you can stay focused on breathing into the last breath and then you pass away and the light come up. Okay? That's why I teach you stay focused because you need to train yourself. Die before die. How to die mindfully. And now just share merely to everybody in your family, everybody in the country, with loving kindness and compassion. Smile to yourself for your good health, happiness, and all success. And now you can rely time dilation. I give you talk 2 hours. I feel like only 15 minutes. Okay? This is time dilation. And more you stay focused on sensation of breathing really settle. Time dilation go to near zero. Those who got time dilation go to zero is Anakami. He go to Nirodha Samabhat. Why he can sit for 7 days straight? Because it got time dilation. 7 days, maybe only 5 minutes. That's why he can wake up the last day, but when he wake up, oh, I just sit for 5 minutes only. Now 7 days already. This is time dilation. Okay? And now time dilation in the heaven. The heaven 1 day, 1 night.
50
equal to on earth 100 years. Okay? Because in the heavens very joyful, time dilation only one day, but actually in this earth 100 years. Okay? But if go to hell, one day here maybe 100 years in the hell, I don't know. It's long day. Oh, very suffer. Then in the heaven very short. In the hell very long time. Okay. So that's why more in the higher realm, time dilation more expanding. And when you get time dilation, equanimity, no time dilation, because you come out from sankhara. When you got sankhara, desire, it form thought, and it form time, long day. When you got sankhara, thought, oh, today, long day. Okay? If you have no thought, oh, I just finished a day already. I just, okay, enjoy my work, but why today very fast? Okay? Time dilation. Okay? So this is will be a good indicator. If you sit meditation and you got pain, oh, actually you sit for 10 minutes, you pain already. You got long day. Okay? Tired. But if you sit, oh, and open your eye. Wow, I sit for 2 hours. I feel like I sit for 5 minutes. That means you are on the right way. Okay? Okay, now finish this session. Sadhu,